Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Violet color, dark blue color, red color, sky blue color, dark green color, brown color, pink color, yellow color, black color, orange color, purple color, light green color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. M for moon. M for mango. N for nose. N for nuts. O for ox. O for oxygen. P for parrot. P for pen. Q for question. Q for quilt. R for rainbow. R for ring. S for sun. S for sheep. T for toy. T for table. U for universe. U for uniform. V for van. V for violin. W for water. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. N O P Q R S T U V W X. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.